Still hunting for that perfect student home in Birmingham? Hold on to your hats, because we've got something special for you. Introducing IQ Studio's 51 student accommodation. Whether you're flying solo or looking for a place to share with your bestie, Studios 51 has got you covered with a range of luxury studios and shared apartments. Every room is light and airy with large windows and comes fully furnished with a comfortable bed, wardrobe, study desk, and plenty of storage space to make sure you're comfortable and organized. Need a break from studying? The property also features tons of social spaces for you to explore. From the games room to the study zones and even a central courtyard, you'll never be bored at Studios 51. Plus, you also get free access to all the amazing facilities, including high-speed Wi-Fi, CCTV, round-the-clock on-site support, and an exciting social events calendar all year round. Located just a hop, skip, and a jump away from Aston University and a quick bus ride from Birmingham City University, you'll be right in the thick of it all at Studios 51. And with the city's finest restaurants, pubs, and bars right on your doorstep, the fun never stops. So, are you ready to live life on the wild side? Head to amberstudent.com and book your spot at IQ Studios 51 today.